Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Fox Android. So this will be the last video of our email password authentication using Firebase series. So in the last two videos, we have checked how to sign up user using this method, right? So we have made the front end and the back end code for that. So if you guys haven't seen that video already, I'll recommend you guys to check out that video by clicking on this I button. So let me show you what we're gonna get achieve by the end of this video, right? So if you can see on my mobile screen, so there is this login text below this register button, right? So if I click on this new activity will pop up. So let me open the Firebase console. So here there is one user is created abcd@abc.com. So if I simply put that abcd@abc.com, and if I put the password 35678 and click on login, so you can see successfully logged in. Now if I click on this logout button, so we are logged out of that window, right? So now if I click on this sign up, it will go to sign up. Again click on login, it will go to the login page. So this is what we'll be getting. So this will be the last video of this series, right? So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon so you receive the notification for the upcoming videos, right? So for this application, what we want to do is first we'll complete the front end part, right? So here below this register button, we have to make two text views and we will design this login page. So we'll design this login page, right? After that, we'll write the backend code. So at the end, I'll be explaining the whole things, right? First, I'll write down the code, then I'll be explaining the thing, right? So okay guys, here we are done with the front end code. I simply copied all those things from the sign up page and pasted it here and changed some IDs and deleted that confirm password thing, right? So here in the main page, if I just go to main activity, here we added these two text reviews. I guess these things are self-explanatory and you guys know the basics of all these things, so I don't think so there is anything that need to be explained, right? So I'll directly dive into the backend code. I'll be writing the code, then I'll explain those things in detail which need to be explained, right? So now I'll go to the Java file of this login page, right? I'll go to Java. So I'll write down the Java code, then I'll let you guys know what I've done, right? Okay guys, we are done with the login Java code, right? So let me briefly explain you guys what we have done. So here we have made the reference variable for the our XML resources, that is the email input field and the password, and there is one login button as well. So here we have made the reference variable for the text view and the Firebase auth, right? So here we have referred all those things in this line of code. So here we have got the object for the Firebase auth, right, by calling this get instance method. So here we have set on click listener on this sign up button. If we go here in this sign up button, so this will take us to the sign up activity, right? So that is simple. We have just made a intent and call that start activity method. Then we have set the on click listener on this login button. So here we have got the email in this string variable and the password in this password variable, right? So we have checked if email address matches the email pattern and the password length is greater than or equal to 8 characters, right? Then it will go to this if condition. Otherwise, it will set error if email pattern doesn't matches. Then it will say enter a valid email address to the email input field. Otherwise, if this condition is also not satisfied, that means password is not 8 character long. So it will set an error to the password input field, right? So now let me go to the main code. Okay. So here this is the main method for signing in the user by calling in this mo.sign with email and password, passing the email and password as an argument, right? Then we have attached the callback method add on complete listener, right? This method will be called once this method calling is completed or there is some result out of it, right? Whether it is failed or succeeded. Then after completing this callback method is called, right? So the result of that is given in the form of task. So we'll check if task is successful. That means we have successfully logged in. Then we'll get the current user by calling this method firebase amount dot get current user. So we've checked if user is not equal to null, then we'll go to the main dashboard page, right? Which in this case is this page. If I just quickly go to this page. So this is our dashboard. We let that this is the dashboard. So we'll go to the dashboard. Else we'll just raise a post saying that login failed, right? So that was the code for this thing. So now we'll go to this sign up activity. Just go here. So I'll just refer to this text view that is there on this page. Just go ahead. This login text view, right? So we have set the on-click listener on this, and we have started this activity by calling the start activity button and making this intent object right. So it will go to that sign up page. So the last thing we are left with is we'll go to this page. Main page. So here we need to make a button, right? just made a button of saying logout. Once the user click on this button, the users will be signed out of the account, right? So we'll just quickly write the code for this thing as well. Just go ahead. Okay guys, so here we have built this reference variable and the mauth object. So the main code is after setting the on click listener on this logout button. So this is the main code mauth.signout. Once you call this signout method, right? So the user will be signed out of the application. I'll quickly install this app to my cell phone, then we'll check it out if it's working fine or not, right? Okay guys, the app has been installed to my cell phone. So here we'll click on this login button. Okay, so we are redirected to this login page, right? So here if I just open this Firebase console, so here is this ID abt at the rate abc.com, right? If I put the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, now if I click on this login button, so you can see successfully logged in. So now if I click on this logout button, so we are logged out of this page. If we click on this sign up, we are redirected to this sign up page. So I guess we have successfully implemented the backend code and the front end code for the login page as well. So if you think this video helped you in any ways, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, right? So, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press that bell notification icon so you receive the notification for the future videos. And if in case you have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section or you can DM me on Instagram. The Instagram username will be there on your screen right now, right? And I'll also be putting the source code link in the description. You can go to that link and clone the GitHub repo in case you want to download this full code, right? So that was it for today's video. See you in another video. Bye.